What's going on, fellas? We are going to try, Jim. We are going to try. Here we go, guys. We got 5 boxes. I just had to stand up and stretch my legs for a minute there after doing that full case. 5 more to go. Let's do it up. Let's keep this going. That first case was nice, though. Overall, that was a really nice break. That Mike Trout card, $300, $400, $500 card, nasty, nasty, nasty. So let's see if we can't maybe get a couple hot boxes here. See if we'll get lucky. Let's see if we will get lucky. Keep looking at all these cards from the last break, already dreading having to sort them all. But it's all good. It's all good in the hood. So, I will get some more breaks posted up later, guys. I'll be doing mixers in both groups. I got a couple Goodwin Champions boxes left if anybody's interested in those. All right, we are getting there. '20 Museum Collection. Next week, Wednesday, I believe, is the new release date. Was supposed to be tomorrow. It got pushed back. It got pushed back. Jason, what is up, man? I got the right list on this time. I remember to do the list. So that's a plus. That's a good start. All right, here we go. Let's do it up. Freeman. Gonsolin. There's a Gavin Lux to start us off right there. Tatis. Albert Pujols. Galarraga. AJ. Michael King. And we got a Sheldon starting us off with the A's. Franco. That's out of 99. Nice Sheldon right there to start us off. Congratulations, Franco. First auto of the break, and it's a nice one. It's a nice one. We got a Casey Mize. We shall see, Jason. Maybe that's the good luck for you. Did you put an X on the ground, though, after you picked it up? If you didn't put the X on the ground, you're screwed. Joey Votto, Molitor. There's a Bo Bichette. You had to have put the X on the ground. There's a Tatis. And we have a orange Nelson Cruz. Minnesota out of 100. We got the Twins. Ryan got the Twins. Yeah, if you pick up a penny on Heads Up, you have to put an X underneath where you picked it up. If you come across a penny that's tails up, you're supposed to just flip it over to Heads Up and leave it for the next person. Yeah, dude. You're screwed now. Gavin Lux. Heads Up penny, you take it and you put an X. Tails up, you flip it over to Heads Up and you leave it for the next person. Flaherty. Diaz. There's Alan Trammell Prism. Meadows. Lynn. For those of you just joining, welcome guys. We just did a full case of this over in JJ's and we pulled some nice stuff out of there. Some nice stuff over there. We pulled a Mike Trout card that's going for $300-400-ish. Adley. On top of some nice autos. There's a nice Juan Soto. Look at that bad boy. That's going to be out of 76 for the Nationals. That goes to Luke. Nice looking card right there. I will have mixers up in both groups later on this evening, guys. So stay tuned for those. That is a Sheldon. That's yours, Franco. That is your auto. Sheldon out of 100. Pete Alonso, Tim Anderson, Bieber. There's a Luis Robert. Austin Meadows. And there's our next auto. It's a Victor Mesa Jr. That's going to go to Miami. Miami is hot in this product. Franco with the first two autos. It's black. Oh, Franco, look at that. Two autos in a row for you. Brendan McKay. Scherzer. Lindor. Javier Baez. Canseco, Marte. There's a black Aaron Judge out of 125 for the Yankees. Joseph. Judge out of 125. And it's black. Harper, Verlander, Munoz. There's a Matt Chapman. Yelich and a Charlie Blackmon. We got a Miggy, Acuna, Jimenez, Joey Bart, Tatis, and a Bryce Harper. Josh Bell. There's a Nico Horner. Dubon, Joe Palumbo, Dwight Gooden. We pulled some Aquinos. We pulled all kinds of sweet stuff out of that first box. And I just have to show you real quick, guys. Let me find it. This came out of the first case. This bad boy we pulled out of the break in JJ's. This card's going for $300 to $400 to a little over $400. This Mike Trout right here. Freaking nasty. That's a monster right there. That was pulled out of the case over in JJ's. Freaking awesome. That was a beast of a hit. Yeah, we pulled a Jake Rogers 5 of 5 auto. We pulled a Luis Robert Black 125. We pulled Jason Dominguez Prism, a Bobby Witt Jr. Prism. What else did we pull? A Nico Horner auto. I think those were some of the bigger hits. Those two Aquinos. So, definitely some good stuff in this product, guys. Definitely some good stuff in this product. If anyone wants to go watch the hit recap on that one, it's up on JJ's, or you can subscribe to JJ's YouTube channel. I just am, actually that break is uploading to my channel right now over on YouTube. It's running in the background. Oh, we pulled the Jordan Alvarez auto. Pulled some nice low numbered, just colored stuff. A Buster Posey, I think, out of 5. Diamond Kings. All right, all right. Here we go. Box 2. Box 2. Hopefully we can get a hot box here. Let's see. Cody Bellinger. Josh Bell. There's an Aquino. John Means. Dustin May. Rojas. There's a Bryce Harper. Lutz. Chris Bryant. And there's a nice Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. That's going to be out of 50. Cody Bellinger out of 50. That goes to Tim. Barry Larkin. Soler. Nice Andrew Vaughn Prism. Judge. Kyle Lewis. Laureano. Breggy. There's a Jordan Alvarez. The Illusions. Trout. And we have a nice Travis DeMer out of 99 for the Tigers. There you go, Aaron Adkins. Detroit Tigers. Look at these autos. All 3 have been colored so far. All 3 of them have been colored so far. That's nice. There's a Yoshi. Mike Trout. Nolan Arenado. Pache. Goldie. And a Mike Trout Mythical. Daza. Senzel. CJ Abrams. Jordan Alvarez. Base auto. Or base. Not a base auto. Just a base. We got it. Rizzo. Manny Machado. Dale Murphy. Turner. And, ooh, look at that Aquino for the Reds right there. That's going to be numbered to 35. That's going to go to Joseph Anderson. Nice Aquino right there. We got a Matt Chapman. Viller. Marte. Yelich. Dylan Cease. And a Wade Boggs. Tanaka. Oh, Nico Horner out of 50 for the Cubbies. Yes, yes, yes. Nathan Mullins. He took the Cubs in both breaks, and he gets 2 Nico Horner autos. Look at that bad boy. Congratulations, Nathan. Nice Nico Horner colored red right there. That's what we are talking about. We're going to foul that up with a Bobby Witt. Yes, sir. These are nice boxes here, guys. Tony Gwynn, Glaber. And then we have a Rojas out of 100 going to the D-backs. That's going to go to Tyler. Jacob deGrom, Luzardo, and we have a Elvis, Baez, Yoshi, George Brett, TJ, and a Chris Bryant. That's box 2, guys. Box 2. Two boxes. All 4 autos have been colored. That's what we're talking about. That's what we like to see. Now let's get one of those auto hot boxes to get us 5 autos. That's what we're shooting for here. They also have the hot box that's all Prism hot box is full of color. But let's get that 5 auto hot box. That's what we want to see. Let's pull another one of those Mike Trout cards. That thing was disgusting. What else? What else? What is up, everyone? How are we doing? Everyone's kind of quiet today, which is fine. It's all good. This 5 boxer is going to go quick compared to that case we just did. That is for sure. This will be easy to sort compared to the other one. Huh. My fingers will be ready for a break after this. If anyone wants any 2020 Goodwin Champions boxes, they're $100. We've been breaking those yesterday and a couple today already, and they got some nice stuff in them, guys. Everyone that I've opened so far has definitely got their money back out of them. That is for sure. I only got a couple left. Jason wants some Mets. He wants that Pete Alonso 101 auto. That's what Jason's looking for. Nothing will do unless it's that. Michael, who do you got? You got, where are you on the list? The Braves. There wasn't a ton, I don't think, in the case either for the Braves. I mean, there was definitely some cards, but nothing real big. You'll get some color, I'm sure. There's a Trout. Oh, look at that! Oh man, we just pulled this of Mike Trout for $300 or $400. Now we got it for Ken Griffey Jr. going to the Seattle Mariners. Oh, Jeff. Jeff. That's a beast. That is a beast right there. Look at that. This one right here we pulled in the first case. This card right here is like $300-400 and some dollars. You just got the Griffey. Oh boy, that's gonna be hundreds right there. That's gonna be some hundos. Congratulations, Jeff. Somebody look that up. That's gonna be some money. Guarantee it's at least it's got to be close, if not more than that Trout card. Oh, yes, sir. Juan Soto. Telling you guys, we pull some fire. Jimenez. Baez. Kyle Lewis. And a Tatis. Just became best friends. That is a monster. I got to put this down closer so everyone can see it. Man, I'm telling you guys, stick with me. We don't need full cases to pull you fire. That's for sure. There's a Trey Mancini, Mountcastle, Zach Collins. There's a Gavin Lux. Dwight Gooden. Man, these cards are all over the place. Kyle Lewis again. Kevin Mitchell. Why are these so flipped all over the place? Mackenzie Gore. And there's a Kershaw. That's going to be numbered to 35. Kershaw to 35. Dodgers. Tim. Man, that is nasty, Jeff. Congratulations. Congratulations. There's a Jordan Alvarez. Followed by a Prism Franco. Somebody go on eBay. I'm curious. What's that card going for? Somebody looked up the Trout already in the last break. I want to know what that Griffey's going for. Nelson Cruz. Eddie Murray. Man, these cards are all over the place. This is worse than Topps. Gonzalez. Roger Clemens. Soler. And we have a Michael Baez for the Padres. I want someone to look that card up. I'm curious. That goes to Larry right there. There you go, Larry. Chris Paddock. Luis Robert. Kirby. Corey Kluber. Mike Trout. And there's a Kevin Newman out of 199 for the Pirates. Goes to Jim. Here you go, Jim. Manny Machado. Severino. Savali. Toro. Jordan Alvarez. I really want... Oh, we got a redemption too? We're going to save that to you. Yep, I just had to make sure that wasn't Panini points. We're setting that right here. We're doing that at the very, very end. Royce Lewis. Yelich. We're saving that for the very last card. Keston. Bryce Harper. Luzardo. Domingo. And there's an Aquino Black out of 125. That's going to go to the Cincinnati Reds. That's going to go to Joseph. Aquino. Ohtani. Trout. Mattingly. And a Luis Robert. I need to get more penny sleeves. There's box 3. Look at that. I'm going to tease you guys with that redemption. Box 4. One sold from $199. That's nothing to frown upon right there. You find an actual a Griffey guy, Jeff, I guarantee you'll get over $200 for that card. I bet you. I thought those were hard to pull. Those are the rare, according to the box, there's ultra rare Fort Knox and Stars and Stripes inserts. So there can't be that many of them. If they're supposedly rare, there can't be a ton of them. If there's a ton of them, they're not rare, and Panini sucks for even saying that. They're the case hit. Well, according to the box, they're ultra rare. No, it's not numbered. Still, though, that's a beast of a card. Yeah, look. Ultra rare Fort Knox and Stars and Stripes inserts. Yeah, Stefan, that's what we're talking about. Is that not an ultra rare card according to the box? Well, Panini sucks then for saying that they're ultra rare if that's the case hit. A case hit doesn't... Ultra rare wouldn't be one in a case. So, screw you, Panini. That's a bunch of bull right there. Saying ultra rare, but yet there's one in every single case. This is, I think, going to be a hot box. I don't know. But there's a Gavin Lux for the Dodgers right there out of 75. That's going to go home to Tim. There you go, Tim. Gavin Lux out of 75. Very nice. This is a nice break, guys. We're getting some nice cards out of this. There's a Bert, Vlad, Bo Bichette, Acuna, Munoz, Mike Soroka out of 199. That's going to go to Atlanta. Keston. Dylan Cease, Morjan. Savali, and our next auto out of 50, Danny Mendick for the White Sox. There you go, Matt. Every auto has been colored except for the one Michael Baez card. All the other autos have been colored. That is freaking awesome. That is sweet. Marte, there's a Bobby Witt. Followed by a Nico Horner. This is going to be an auto hot box because here's our third auto. Jalen Davis for the San Francisco Giants, and that's the Prism. That goes to Luke. Jalen Davis. And then we have a Jason Dominguez base. Kluber. Judge. Yu Chang. Dubon. And our next auto, it's a Shed Long Jr. for the Seattle Mariners. That goes to Jeff. Jeff having a break, my man. Juan Soto, Chapman, Palumbo, Gavin Lux, Keston, Bumgarner, DeGrom, and we have a Matt Carpenter for the St. Louis Cardinals out of 60. Jonathan. Nice Carpenter there. Baez. Johnny. Jim Rice. Yoshi. And an Aquino. C.J. Abrams, Trout, Christian, there's a Sullick, George Brett, Kyle Lewis, red, white, and blue, Yelich for the Brew Crew out of 150. That goes to Larry. Chris Bryant, Joe Adele, Jordan Alvarez. I like how we got a case hit and a hot box out of this just random 5-box break. And out of 50, Munoz for the Padres. Look at all this color. Munoz out of 50. This is another nice break. Let me finish it up with a Mike Trout. 1 box left, guys. I will have some mixers up later in both groups, here and in JJ's. I will have mixers up. All right, last box. Let's keep the fire coming. It's been a good 5-box break. Lots of color. For autos, that is for sure. Maybe we'll be lucky. Maybe this is one more hot box. Who knows? Who really knows? And we still got to look at that redemption up there. We got to figure that out. All right. So yeah, I'll get some cheap breaks up later on, guys, so we can hopefully fill those up quick so we can break them tomorrow. Get one more break in before the weekend. They will be fairly cheap, I'll tell you that. All right. I'm ready for a little break of ripping open packs, though. Here we go, guys. Last box. Devers and Aquino for the Cincinnati Reds. We've been pulling this dude like crazy. Joseph. We pulled 2 of his autos in the first break and now another one. Aquino. Cincinnati Reds. Yes, sir. Gary Carter. There's a Dale Murphy. And we got a black Ramon. That's going to be out of 125 for the A's. Nice looking card there. Trevor Story. Sandoval, AJ Puck. And another auto. Tyrone Taylor for the Brew Crew. Larry Rice. Prism auto. Trevor Story, Matt Chapman. We got another hot box, guys. Another hot box. Berea, Washington Nationals, Luke. I'm telling you guys, 5-box break. We get the case hit in 2 hot boxes. That's what we're doing. That is what we are talking about. Davis and a Whit Merrifield. And we got a nice orange Gavin Lux. That's going to be out of 100. Jason, I told you, man, you didn't put the X under your penny. That's what's going on here. If you would have X'd that penny, you'd be doing just fine. Adbert, Dustin May, Aquino. Michael King. AJ Puck. Alan Trammell. Chris Paddock and a Trey Mancini. And a Trey Mancini black, 125 for Baltimore. That goes to Joseph. You know for next time now. Now you know. And we have a Brian Anderson from Miami. Franco. Aquino. Bo Bichette. Travis, and out of 125, Dubon for the Giants. Luke. Man, all this color. Lots of color. Lindor, Castro, Shane Bieber. We will do a recap, guys. Josh Bell and a Wander Franco. Let's do our redemption and then we will do a recap. Here we go. Good luck. Let's get this to zoom in. Come on. I swear this camera sometimes. Focus. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me right now. What is the deal? I've never had it this bad. Jeez, there we go. Alright, guys. Finally. Retro 1986 signatures. Card 8. Luis Robert for the Chicago White Sox. Going to Matt. That's a beast right here. That is a beast of a card. Congratulations, Matt. That is nice. Nice, nice. Let's do a quick recap. Trey Mancini Black, Gavin Lux, Ramon Laureano, Christian Yelich, Matt Carpenter. Thank you, Jason. Aquino, Kevin Newman, Kershaw, Rojas. There's an Aquino, Bellinger, Aaron Judge, Soto, Nelson Cruz. We got a purple Dubon, Anderson, Berea, Taylor, Shed Long, Jalen Davis, and a Michael Baez. Nico Horner red. Travis Demerit. Sheldon. Danny Mendick. Gavin Lux. Victor Mesa. Aquino. Mendez. Or Munoz. K-Sit Griffey. And boom, Luis Robert. There we go, guys. Thank you so much for the fill. Have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.